Research is creating new knowledge. Wise words from astronaut Neil Armstrong. When creating new products, Atlas Copco first gets its research right. The new GA-VSD Plus is a case in point.
Atlas Copco new VSD Plus compressor uses modern motor technology. It no longer uses induction motors, but IPM motors. IPM stands for Interior Permanent Magnet. My name is Gert Röder. I'm professor for electrical drives at the University of Applied Science in Osnabrück, Germany. An IPM motor has permanent magnets in the rotor. Applying some sinusoidal current to the stator, you get forces moving the rotor with synchronous frequency. The IPM motor is the only machine without alternating magnetic field in the rotor. Everybody who knows induction heating knows how important it is.
IPM technology is taking several industries by storm.
IPM motors are compact, light, efficient, reliable, and can be used in direct drive systems. Its many advantages makes it perfectly suited for many different applications.
IPM truly is the technology of the future. That becomes clear when we look at the past. The vacuum cleaner. There's one in every home. The very first models didn't even have a motor. The ones that did were very big and hard to handle.
Due to the permanent magnets in the rotor, IPM motors are very compact and much smaller than common machines. This makes them very interesting for a lot of applications. For instance, vacuum cleaners. But space saving is also very interesting for compressor applications.
Look under the bonnet of your car. The era of engine blocks that were cast in iron and weighed a ton has come to an end.
For this e-cart we are using a permanent magnet motor. It has one of the highest power densities on the market. In fact, we are trying to break the world record of acceleration from standstill to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds. IPM motors are very lightweight. This makes them very interesting for car manufacturers. Toyota and Citroën, for example, use this motor technology in their newest vehicles. This proves also the reliability of this motor technology. Otherwise, car manufacturers wouldn't use it.
Conventional motors to power elevators are going down. Those old motors are not very well suited for this particular application. If you're in the elevator business, then chances are you're looking into IPM technology.
In the past, elevators were equipped with big machines, long cables and a gearing. Modern elevators use direct drive systems with permanent magnet motors. This technology is also useful for compressor applications. Power is applied only when needed.
Old air conditioning units not only threw hot air out the window. No! They also threw money out the window because the motors they used were not very efficient. That is about to change.
IPM motors are much more efficient than induction motors. As seen from the rotor, there is no alternating magnetic field, consequently there are no losses at all. Some makers of air conditioning equipment have already chosen to use these motors in their products.
Whether it's in your living room or in your car, to take you up in an elevator or to take the temperature down, chances are you'll run into an IPM motor.
There really is no doubt. The IPM motor is technology of the future for many industries and compressors as well.